So today we're going to be making kind of a casserole, but it's a tater tot casserole. So it uses ground beef, Lipton onion soup mix, golden mushroom, and tater tots. It's real easy to put together. Now this recipe you can make ahead and put it in your freezer, pull it out, put it in the oven. I did go ahead and already brown up 2 pounds of ground beef. So we're just going to go ahead and dump this out. I did drain it really good, so we'll just dump it out here. This is also a very affordable meal for anyone, but it's also one of those meals that you can come home late in the afternoon and get ready and have on the table. You know, even if you had to brown up your ground beef, you could still have it done in less than an hour. So then it's just going to take 1 package of Lipton onion soup mix. One can of the golden mushroom Campbell soup. I really like the golden in this. So we're just going to mix this all up here. I do always like to add in some pepper, but I'm not going to add any more salt because both of those other ingredients have quite a bit of salt in them. So you just mix that up until everything's well combined. Now you can put cheese over this, but my family doesn't like that, so we don't put the cheese on there. And I just purchased a large bag of tater tots, and we just line the top. Now, if you were coming straight in from work and needing to fix this, you could literally use your cast iron skillet to brown your ground beef, then go ahead and mix in your Lipton onion soup mix and your cream of mushroom, and then you could put your tater tots on top and pop it into the 400-degree oven, and then you wouldn't have to dirty up as many dishes. So that is another good thing. It's like a one-pot meal, one dish. I am going to have some oven roasted green beans for our side. I'll just go ahead and let that temperature come up on the oven. So while we're waiting on that, we'll go ahead and take 2 bags of just the extra fine green beans. I got these at Aldi. I think that they are the ones that I like the best as store-bought. Going to dump them out here. Pour some extra virgin olive oil on them, because we're going to bake these in the oven with the casserole, so it all gets done together. Let's see. A little bit of salt. And then a little bit of Montreal steak seasoning. We're just gonna toss them in that oil and kind of mix the seasonings up here, and then just lay them out thin there. Then we'll just pop this in a 350 degree to 400 degree oven for 15 to 30 minutes till the tater tots are done and the beef is real bubbly. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven. I'm gonna put this on the bottom and put the green beans on the top. And I'll start out at 15 minutes. We'll go ahead and toss these green beans around. We'll go ahead and move this up to the top. Oh, they're looking really good though. Oh yeah. Get this spread back out and put it in there. We're gonna go another 15 more minutes. I say it'd be another 15 more minutes. Yeah, about 15 more minutes. I think that the green beans are done. Woo! The tater tots are pretty much done, but let's see here. So the green beans are done. I'm gonna set them right there, and we will pull the casserole out in just a minute and plate it up. Sounds nice and bubbly. I think it's good and done. So you kind of just let the tater tots brown there. Oh yeah, that's really good. Yep, good and hot. So I like the green beans roasted in the oven. Instead of all the time being boiled. Ooh, it's a little hot. Very good, and I think the golden cream of mushroom really gives that the better flavor, more richer. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed being with me today, this new recipe. If you do, please let me know. And until next time, we'll see you around.